Ew. Ew, it's all gooey. That's one. This one's probably gonna be oh, my finger just like literally went through it. Oh. Okay, that actually hurt. Oh. That is disgusting. Look at this. That's what the inside of my pumpkin looked like. It was hella moldy. That is disgusting. This one wasn't that bad. It had a little bit right there, and that was basically it. But oh, that hurt my hand. I might have just bruised my knuckle. But guys, look at that. That is disgusting. It is all in there. I kind of want to open it more. Ew. That is disgusting. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little cutscene. Or beginning of the vlog. I don't know where I'm gonna actually put this clip in, but hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you guys want to see more pumpkin smashing. But every word that you say now is blasphemy. All you are is blast from the past to me. Alright, got the water, got the paper towels. What are we using the paper towels for?
To put like the paint on.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess we're just gonna get right into it.
Watch there be like. You didn't say black.
I definitely picked up black. Alright, I'm ready. I don't know about you. Yeah, let's crack open this paint. Like I said,
Whatever I'm gonna do.
yeah, we're gonna do the same thing like I did last time. I'm gonna have the pictures like up top so you guys can see. But what color are you doing for your the red? Like since we didn't pick up red. Oh!
I might just do this one.
Oh yeah, I honestly don't think I'm gonna need that much.
That much green?
Yeah, because this acrylic, like look how much you covered up already.
She's thick.
And like, yeah, I think we'll be chilling with the amount of paint we have. I want mine green though, you know? Like I don't want any orange showing up.
Yeah, just do multiple layers.
Yeah. You could have just done a green apple.
Oh.
And then switch like the green slime to like a different thing. You know? Oh, like I said, you don't have to like go off the picture, but like the whole main point of it is the design. You can like throw your own twist to it. At the end of the day, you're just gonna see just which one, you know, is more creative or just whatever one they like. In this video, I'm definitely gonna try to make a little bit shorter. I had like almost an hour worth of footage, and half of it I didn't even use. I somehow cut it down to like 16 minutes of actual footage. A lot of, you know, more time lapses and all that most likely is gonna be in it.
I don't think I'm painting my whole one.
I don't think you need to.
Like around the whole thing. I mean, I think it is.
I might just do that.
Forgot that you took drawing class. I better sit
Yeah, this is art class now, right?
We all had to take art class, okay?
Well, buddy, I actually tried to take art class in college, but it was full. Well, I think I was taking a sketching class, so that still wouldn't do anything. Because it was like, I would just be sketching stuff. Because I can sketch really well, but I just can't like, I don't think I can legit like draw stuff, you know?
Yeah, if I'm looking at something, I can do it.
Yeah, like, and I draw the easiest thing. Disney characters are like not hard to draw at all. Fit it all,
You gotta finish the outfit.
just in case that one person decides to look at you and be like, oh, you got the shoes too.
It's like when you buy like a costume like from the bag and it just comes with like the caps, like the shoe caps. You know, like it's not like you just wear like tennis shoes and then like it just covers your feet and you look stupid.
Yeah. Alright, well I have to sit here and wait a second, you know, let this dry a little bit so I can flip it back over. So for yours, are you just gonna paint the whole thing green and then like trace it over with the purple or the red that you're trying to do?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'm not gonna go too thick with the green because like most of it's gonna be covered by that. So like the little spots, you know, like I'll like touch it up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, good thing we have these like stencil things too.
What's stencil things?
These things?
They're mixers.
Oh, well, I think stencils. So.
You never watched like those paint like that? Well, is that ASMR? Not really.
No.
What is that? Yeah, that is ASMR. ASMR doesn't have to be food.
10 likes and I changed this channel to an ASMR channel. I really just wish it was like this neon green though, you know? Like it kept
Yeah.
like that. Alright, going white now.
You're starting?
Should I grab like a blow dryer?
Yeah. I don't even own one.
I don't have one here either. Alright, a little update on it. I got the white eye, I got the mouth outline going. I have to like touch up the mouth area a little bit because if you guys can see right there, boom, there's supposed to be a little bit of space between, so I have to put some green there. But other than that, whole thing's green right now. Back, got the eye outline, got the mouth. We're chilling. Riley's over here. She's struggling, but she's getting there. She's starting to do the eye right now, it looks like. And like I said, she has to substitute for purple because we didn't get red paint. Probably one of the colors we definitely should have got, seeing as it's a basic color. And we probably should have got black too.
Yeah.
The basics, but instead we get freaking magenta and what is this? Wild iris.
This crazy blue that, oh, you are using it, so never mind.
What?
I was saying that none of us are using, but you do have to use the blue.
Yeah, I have to use the blue. Like all the colors that I picked, I have to use, like green, blue, white. And she picked these two that neither of us have to use. So that goes to show you that's how useless it was. But anyways, just waiting for this to dry. She's gonna let her things dry and draw the eyes, but we're gonna switch back over to that. As of now, it seems like my Mike Wazowski's turning out pretty hot.
Yeah, and what the fuck is going on over
Whoa,
here?
Family Channel, bro. They're gonna be done before me because my paint's like taking 50 years to dry. What happened to freaking quick drying?
You put on 10,000 layers.
Yeah, I mean, I did layer it on pretty thick, but still. It's like the part that I have to paint is like not dried.
Oh, the blue part, right?
Yeah, like the middle of the eye is like still like wet. I feel like any art person would be looking at this and like be offended because we're using like the wrong paint brushes for things and stuff.
Maybe you could do like a little brush and like...
I'm kind of like round it off right now, but because it keeps drooping everywhere.
Take, like a little brush, and like, you know, like you have like the little, like the flecks in your eye.
Flex?
Yeah, like look at my eyeball. See all those little flecks?
I don't know what that means.
Like the little like streaks like on your pupil.
Oh yeah.
Like if you like go around like it'll look like that, you know, with a ruler.
Mike Wazowski doesn't have that stuff. Alright, yeah, I think I'm just about done with mine. I don't like this Sharpie that I have though. I want to like cover it up or something. Like the Sharpie just kind of looks tacky.
Just use the purple.
Maybe that'll look okay?
Yeah, it's right here, like, you know, you try that. Like the green bit, you know?
Yeah. I can't reference from yours because yours is still, the things look kind of tacky now though.
Oh really? I think that looks fun. I think that looks cute.
Alright. I think we are both calling it quits, or not calling it quits, but calling it finished. I got my Mike Wazowski. We got the poison apple, right? Is that what it is from Snow White?
Snow White.
Yeah.
No,
so
that's like
reveal it.
a
Boom.
hot trash movie.
Pretty nice. I mean, we'll get close-ups on it right now. The Mike Wazowski last minute purple change up because I had the outline with black and then I started outlining it with purple and then Riley told me I might as well just fill it in, so did that. And then just in honor of Halloween, I was supposed to do those teeth, but I was like, you know what, forget it, it's Halloween, so I made the little vampire things and then got his eye, which is still drying while it's super glossy, but that's about it. Everything's green, boom, bam, bam. Mike Wazowski. Let me say it one time. Mike Wazowski. All right, and then we got the candy apple. Is it candy apple or it's just
Poison?
a poison apple? That's what I meant. But yeah,
Same.
poison apple from Snow White. We got the, you guys can see, you got the eyes. Oh, Phil focus. Got the eyes right there. Boom, the nose. We were saying kind of looks like a witch hat, and she has like the bottom, all nice and designed. So overall, you know, pretty good work. Me personally, I'll definitely give this. If we're basing off the picture, a 7 out of 10.
Oh, that was nice.
But creativity, she had to do what she had to do without the red, so I'll give it a 8.5.
Aww.
You get an 8.5. Me personally, you know, I'm biased, so I'm gonna give myself a 9.5. Easy. Creativity and everything. But that is not the point. The point is for you guys to decide who you guys think had the better pumpkin, which one you guys liked in general. It doesn't have to be a competition. Which pumpkin you guys liked, which one you think was more creative, if anything. Let us know in the comments below. But I'm one. She's two. So comment 1 or 2 below. 1 for Mike Wazowski, 2 for the poison apple. But let me know in the comments. And you know, like I said, it's not really a competition, but we're gonna wrap up the video right there. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, make sure you guys go down, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, join the family, and as usual guys, it's been your boy Tito. Till the next video, we'll see ya. Peace. And remember guys, take it easy.
Into like fucking recess. And I was like, yo.
This is one we just did off camera, but Jack the Skeleton, I forgot her name? Sally. But you guys already know the Nightmare Before Christmas. So if you guys are, you know, still watching the video at the end, you guys get this little sneak peek. But yeah, that's what we did off camera. Decided not to film it because we already filmed those 2. But yeah, I think this is the best one out of all 3 though.
Oh yeah, for sure.